Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Android smartphone to OnePlus 8 Pro, for the first you have to go to the Google Play Store on your Android phone, click on the search, and right here you have to type OnePlus and get this OnePlus Switch application. If you do, just open it and also do the same on your OnePlus 8 Pro. Click on the start on the Android and new phone on OnePlus and choose the old phone type. Of course it is the other Android. Click on the next right here and we can go to scan QR code to connect these smartphones. Right now we have to wait because they are connecting. And as you can see, here we are. So if you want to send everything, you just leave like that and tap on the start. But in my case, it is only example, so I'm going for the audio, and I will take this one song. And if you want to transfer it, click on the start. Okay. And as you can see, it's finished. This is how it looks, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.